Dahan-dahan lang. Hello. This is my new design of repelling force using the extreme electromagnetic force. Look how easy, how light that we are turning this piston. This is the new design. I believe it will give a lot of torque turning. I don't expect speed here, dahan-dahan. On this side now, here, that's the time, then it will push here, repel. And once it's here, and then again, repel upward. So there is this one piston producing, now it's pulling again, and then it's pushing. Pull, I'll go on this side. Okay. Pull, and then push, pull, and then push, pull, and then push, because here electromagnetic inside, here there's electromagnetic inside, and that one moving up and down is as well electromagnet, that repelling. This is the first time we made that become very light, no resistance. So imagine if I will use my repelling force that popping 33 feet, a 1 kilo object, using very small battery of power. Look, very light, and this is 6 times. In every pulse is 6 powerful piston. So the next design we need to invest is another. This is 0 degrees, and then some 45 degrees here. Now it's changing. It means 2 set of piston. So 6 here, 0 degrees, and